Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily create your Apple ID from your Mac. So for doing this you just need to write in Google Apple ID. So now you will see Apple ID, just tap on it. So here you will see create your Apple ID. So this is official site of Apple. Just tap on create your Apple ID. And now you just need to write your first name, last name, your country, region, date of birth. Here you need to have your email address. So just add here your email. So you need it because it will verify your address. So it will send code to this website. And also here you need to write your password, confirm password, and also here you need to add your phone number, so you will receive a text message or phone call on this phone number. So thanks for watching. After you write all the things, you just need to write these symbols from picture here, rewrite it, and after just tap on continue. So this is the way how you can also create your Apple ID on your Mac. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and bye.